hearing the stories from the other people that were having issues and from the HOA, that something needed to be done to protect the units, especially around the windows and doors. We started looking at Tamlynwrap, and specifically the Drainable, because another company acquired the last 3 units. And what I began to hear from the other occupants from the buildings that were already done is that they were having a lot of issues with water getting inside the windows, getting inside the doors, the siding. I mean, they had all kinds of problems with the system that they had in place, and it really made me concerned. So Tamlyn really enlightened me on the details and really the issues that we would be faced with from a liability standpoint. What we have here is a unit that just borderlines having issues, and from the HOA, that something needed to be done to protect the units, especially the elevations with no overhang. It's just everything's straight and water coming down, and we have board and batten. And we were going to go with a regular wrap, but as you know, it doesn't really do well for getting the water out.